Hi. A few years ago, I started really having difficulty with my teeth, and I had a primary dentist that I went to, and I felt confident with. He was a reputable dentist, and you know, whatever. Anyway, it came the time where my partial didn't work very well anymore, and he suggested implants. Well, he put in at three different intervals implants where twice he hit the nerve, and um, I, I was in so much pain. I didn't really know what was going on. Anyway, that healed, and he tried again. He brought me back to the office and said, "This is the reason it didn't work. We're going to do it this way." And he did it again, and it became abscessed. I got a really bad blood infection from it. I went into UCLA, and I had a massive blood infection due to the abscess in my mouth. So I had lost about 30 pounds and couldn't eat. And the last implant that he had put in, I called him on the phone and I said, "There's pus coming out of it." And he told me, "Go over to the closest oral surgeon." God was looking down on me because for some reason my husband had seen Dr. Z for something else. And my husband drove me over to Dr. Z. And when I saw him, he removed the abscess implant, and he said, "You need to go over to see Dr. Javar." So I waited about a week and a half or so, and I came over to see Dr. Javar, and he explained to me the procedure and everything, and I was, I don't know, I was apprehensive because, um, I had been through so much, and it had been almost 2 years, and anyway, he gave me the names of some clients that he had seen. And while I was here in the office, there was a girl that had gotten teeth put in one day, and she came in, and I spoke with her, and she was really, really happy, and her teeth looked amazing. I couldn't believe it. I left that afternoon, and I made a mission to call all these numbers that Josie, which is the secretary, gave me, the people that had the treatment. So I called them all and spoke to all of them. One of them, and I think his name was Jim, I still have his number, met me at Starbucks, and he explained the whole thing to me. I looked at his teeth, and all of a sudden I started getting excited that maybe this was real, that maybe this dentist or this doctor could help me. Like 2 weeks later, I made the appointment. I came back in, and the following week, I went to see. I had surgery, and Dr. Z took out the remaining teeth that I had in my mouth. And the same day, my husband drove me over to see Dr. J, and he put in my temporaries. And from then, my life had changed. The temporaries gave me the ability to eat. I couldn't believe that every morning I woke up with teeth in. I just still, to this day, I'm still surprised. I wake up in the morning and have teeth. I don't know. And anyway, and that started changing my life. So for, I think it was 10 months, I don't have a lot of bone in my mouth. So the doctor decided to keep the implant. I have 4 implants. Decided to keep the implants in for like almost a year to make sure they were strong, and then during the year during the process of the year, I gained back the 30 pounds. I started exercising again. I started eating again, and now it's been a couple of months, and I have my permanent teeth. My husband can't keep his hands off me, and I'm happy every day when I wake up. My blood pressure medicine, I don't have to take it anymore. whatever I was eating because of my deficiencies, I don't need to take the cholesterol medicine anymore. So I'm 65 and I feel like life has just begun. And I'm grateful every day. Every day.